Hi everyone, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fruit custard. Fruit custard is really good for the summer, so let's start it. Now I add 500 ml of milk. Before the milk is heat up, we will add few more ingredients. These are saffron and fresh cream. For the extra creaminess, we will add the cream. You have to add the cream before the milk heats up. Otherwise, it doesn't mix really well. And you have to really mix it well. Now I will take the small bowl with the vanilla custard powder, and now I will take a few spoons of milk. The milk should be lukewarm, so the powder really need to dissolve in the milk, and we don't need any lumps, so we really need to mix it well. Once the mixing done, just quickly pour into the pot and stir it continuously. The heat should be low. Now I will add sugar, and I add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just stir it and mix it with the milk. You have to stir it consistently, continuously, and without stopping, and the heat should be medium to high once the milk is boiling. And now it's ready to turn off. You don't need to cook very long, just 1 minute is enough. Now the fluid is enough to stop the flame, so I will stop it now. And now you need to transfer it to the bowl. Now I will transfer it into the bowl, and I will keep it in the room temperatures. It depends on the room temperature how it's quick become cooling down. So once the fluid is cooling down, and now I will add the fruits. Fruits can be any kind of fruits. For me, I use apple, banana, strawberries, pomegranate, and I will mix all together, and I will decorate with the blueberries. You can also add few nuts on the top for the garnish, so it will be more crunchy when you eat the custard. It will be more tasty as well. And now I will keep in the fridge at least 1 hour, and after 1 hour I will take it out and I will serve quickly. I hope you like my recipe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.